So, hey everyone, welcome back to the Fibonacci Swings. Today, I am back with an update. So, last update I had shared on October 16. Until then, I was waiting for the markets and how the market is performing. So, this was my tweet about gold, and that time market was around 2600 level. But I have shared these POIs of 2654 and 2664 around. There was my POIs that I'm expecting and market can respect these POIs. And similar happens, market came to my levels, and here is the levels. I have actually marked out two levels. One market was here, but still I said below one is looking good. So I request you all follow my Twitter because I am sharing updates regularly there also. So as of now, we are currently at 2684. We had a US presidential elections which caused a huge major dump, which was nothing but just gap filling or rebalancing the price. It was about 3.46% of move, which caused a huge uh, speculation in the market. The retailers lost a lot of the money, but still it was a trap actually. US election was just a starter. So if you see here, we have this fair value gap, uh, which has been filled now. Actually, it has been filled now. We are now looking at all-time highs at 2791 here. So this is our new ERL which we are looking forward to. So I would just likely to make an emoji about eyes. So I'm putting up the eyes emoji here. So now it will be my next POI in the weekly time frame actually. So we are actually day trading and I need to just focus upon the daily and 1 hour time frame. So let's go to the daily. On the daily time frame, we are able to see that market has bounced about from this level. So here was an outer block sort of type, but if we measure our Fibonacci from here, we will realize that it was about on my zone of 0.7 to 0.75. That's around the golden zones, which is called the retracement zones. And now we are looking forward to these 2800. I guess 2800 is obvious. Gold will happen in just likely to some few days, and after that, if there isn't monetary policy changes, we can see a huge up and down in the gold. But overall, the market is bullish at this time, and there is a Middle East war tension going on. Maybe that can be the reason of more gold pump. So 3000 this year, yeah, we can expect that, but not that I expected to. Yeah, sorry for the interruptions. So, on the daily time frame, we are able to see that market has rejected about this level, the huge big candle, which was about how many pips? Let it count how many pips it was. Around 971 pips candle. So it was. Now market is doing some sort of recovery. If we see here, we will realize that it was nothing. So it was just a retracement at all. People just call, oh my god, market dump. But no, see this range actually. If you see this all candle printing, there is no opposite candle. That means market can literally pierce it off, just like a falling knife. So I had a short opened up here. I booked almost my profit around this level. Now the market is just falling apart. Let's go to the 2 hour time frame. 2 hour time frame is actually free upon the trading. We just you can use that. We can see here that the market has some sort of liquidity sweep here. Market tapped, go up, bounce back into this area again, and we can see a shift about in the 15 minutes time frame. If we open that 15-minute time frame, we will see a shift here. So see here, up, down. So this will be like our major shift, and this is our minor shift about this level. So then market retraced back into this area and market just continue pushing up. So if we see what are the possibilities of building longs, so I would just likely to say if you are looking for longs, measure it from here to about this level. So we will get an area of 2664 and 2660. It's about $40 range. So about this area can be the good area for longs. So if you get price below the price of 26 2680, you can just build a long from here in the gold, and you can just target all-time highs again. So exactly this is how the market is working at this moment. Monday is kind of like a shitty market, so I don't recommend you to trade Mondays. In the Mondays, you can just likely to see the price coming up to this area, and it can just go put up there about this area up to 2790 and 27 2800 also. So this is about advice about gold. It's just about top to down analysis, nothing else, nothing so fancy, nothing everything else. So let's move on GBP USD. So if we open here, so we'll realize I have the open of long here. I just shared analysis about this on my Twitter also. So you can just follow my Twitter link in the description. So if we see market about here, you will realize that market has downs on the retracement. So from below to this range above, we will realize that market has touched out this area, which is this fair cap and this order block here. It's about 29131 area, and market just like to react somewhere about here. We got a shift in structure around this area in the lower time frame also, not in a daily I4 or we get the change in trend? The answer is yes, we got a trend change in the trend about this area. Now market is looking bullish, so I'm targeting these highs. First dip is here, second is here, and then market can go up to this area if it inverts this fair value gap. So we're just likely to see about area of 1.348. This can be the next target. So I am just longing from this. There is a swing trade also. If you want to take, you can take on the about the levels of 1.29053. You can just take a trade about here. Your stop loss will be this candle low, and you can target the same highs, this high or this high. Likely to target the lower about little bit about this. So I will get about 1 is to 3. 1 is to 3 is a nice good target also. So removing this on the daily, we are just like retracement on the higher time frames. In the daily time frames or 1 hour time frame, we're likely to the structure shifts, a box like of setups. This is our liquidity areas. I would likely to target these areas. We got a shift here in the 1 hour time frame also. Retracement, shift, retracement also moving up. So here was the down momentum. Then market goes up, break out this area, breakout structure here, breakout structure here, retracement down, filling up this gap, inducement here. Now market is going up, so it can target about this area. And now we have uh, another pair is which is about Euro USD. Let's open that Euro USD pair. In the Euro USD, we are able to see market has reacted this area. My first area was this, it didn't reacted. My second area was this, it didn't reacted to. On my third area, it actually reacted and form a very rejection candle here. If we see this on the 50 minutes, we will realize that market give a push up here and here is a change of trend. If we likely to see longing position, I would like to recommend you want to long. This area would be likely to good area for long. You can build a long for scalps intraday and swing. Stop loss will be like this zone. Adjust your risk to reward ratio. Your TP first will be around this area, second will be here, third TP will be here, and fourth TP if you just want to carry out the swing, you can just take it the whole. It's about 1 is to 4, 1 is to 4 is to reward trade. It's also a good trade. So let's go to DXY. DXY. Yeah, that's DXY. On the DXY, we are able to see on a daily time frame also. So in the daily time frame, this was my rejection area, and now market is about to reject. Market has rejected here. Now I'm expecting market to go lower, about 100, about 100. It can be go about to 100 and then lower. But in the daily time frames, I would like to see market has touched my area. So now I'm looking forward to the negative here. So this is our the current daily range. Market is just hopping around this range. If it breaks down this 90 or 100, we can just see a clear range around 97. So market can go up to there. If it broke this, gold can be like bleeding the gold. So it can just go up to here, 107 and other 100. Yeah, it's about 114. So it was about the pump after the COVID-19 and the 2022 there was a crisis, I guess. So after that we have another pair, NAS today. We're likely to analysis NAS too. so much interesting pair. I am not into the index trading, but since I am seeing this very whole move as coming up in the stocks also, so it has taken this ERL also. So now we have a fair value gap coming here, which is this area. So market can just do one thing, and the coming up days, 2, 3, 4 days, it can fill up this area and go rally upwards, or if it's likely to go up to the down here. So I would recommend you to wait. So this is swing low, this is swing high. So about this area, it's about 118,000 area. It's also coming up here. It can be a major dump around how many points? Around 30. Around 3,000 points it will be the term, but I'm not expecting that much right now because Trump is in the power. So my right now analysis is, if this value gap fill here, we got a shift in structure in 15 minutes and 30 minutes, just likely to cover up here. This is your ERL next. And if you use Fibonacci based channel extension, you will realize that 21,000 or 22,000 will be the next area. So these are the move higher, these were the lower. So market has just currently touched about 618, the retracement down below to the lower, and 21,000, 22,000 will be the next area. So I was likely to mark out that. So yeah, this is my next area of interest. So I am looking for NAS of the swing trade. I have never traded NAS, but yeah, I'm looking forward to this because US elections are just putting up the stock market in the new all-time highs. So why not trade an opportunity? So this is about all today. Today is November 10th, 2024. So this is my analysis. This is not an financial advice. I'm just trying to record my journey and give you my analysis and my PYs. So hope for the next, like my videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you all.